Hey my good friends, Sam Haymart with Test Driven TV. We're here at the SEMA Show and we're getting our first look at one of the Ford Maverick show trucks, and this is the one by Air Design that features a lot of their products, but there's quite a few other things too that we just gotta have a look at.
The Air Design Ford Maverick show truck is a rolling catalog of parts from the aftermarket supplier that were developed along with Ford to offer through Ford dealerships as official accessories. But there are a number of custom touches to this truck that make it more than just a catalog special. Most visibly are the addition of a number of key components from Air Design, all of which were painted gloss black for both the Maverick and the Ford branded SnugTop shell. The gloss black paintwork also extends to the grille and the lower body cladding front to rear for a complete customized look. Components from Air Design include a hood scoop, which looks a lot more substantial than photos online led me to believe. The custom paint treatment on the hood is a nice look too that ties the whole thing in and makes it look less pasted on. Also added were the Air Design wheel arch flares, which I've had my eyes on for my own Maverick. You can see how they fit well and integrate with the look almost as if they were factory pieces. They do attach to the inner fender lip with fasteners, so they're not 100% a stick-on item. On this truck, they frame the upgraded 18-inch Raceline 401B Aero wheels and 31-inch Toyo Open Country all-terrain tires in size 265/65 R18 quite well. In such, all of it balances out the look nicely with a Beltec 1.5-inch leveling kit. Down the side, the Air Design door moldings have been added, but here they've actually painted them body color, so they're not as prominent in the look as the other trim pieces are. Nice and clean. At the rear is another piece from Air Design, the tailgate applique, here painted in gloss black. I note this only because these products come in the basic black satin finish out of the box. Down below is something I think a lot of people might be interested in, a custom catback exhaust system by Borla. Available soon from both Ford Performance and Borla, this exhaust system for the 2-liter EcoBoost Maverick has dual exhaust tips that come out below the bumper for a nice performance look, and an upgraded sound too. On this system, the tips are gloss black. Most prominent at the rear of the truck is the SnugTop rear bed topper, which is offered through Ford Accessories with their own oval logo on it and in all of the factory colors the Maverick is offered in. It seems to fit well with flush glass on both sides, and it looks like it was penned by Ford themselves. The interior of the topper on this show truck was lined with a custom molded carpeting that I was not able to confirm with Ford whether or not it's included with the topper. If so, what a bonus. If not, we want to know where you can get it. You can see that the attaching hardware and the actual door and window hardware appears to be of a good quality level all around. The rear glass itself is an OEM quality piece that looks more factory than most toppers.
Okay, there you have it for our walk around of the Air Design Ford Maverick. Now we've got quite a few other trucks we're going to show you here that are Ford Maverick, and a lot of other stuff. You can see our playlist, our complete playlist right there for the SEMA Show, as well as you can subscribe to our YouTube channel right below that. Either way, stay tuned.